Hey guys, this video is going to be like a little bit of like a mix match kind of video. It's going to be like a organisation, like decluttery kind of thing. Basically, I'm going to go through my drawers of all of like my new makeup and stuff. And I'm just going to go through everything, make sure that there's nothing in here that I want to declutter. And then I want to like organise it so that it's in like categories. And I've got like these. I started to do it in this one, but it just overflowed completely. So yeah, basically I'm gonna start by just putting everything on the floor in front of me, and then we're just gonna go from there. So okay, I can already tell by looking through some of these things that there's a few things that I will be getting rid of straight off the bat. And so that's everything for here. And then I've also got this as well. But I did go through that one the other day. So I don't think there's anything that I need to declutter out of that one. So straight off the bat, I'm just kind of going to pick through a couple of things and then like, yeah, we'll go through everything else. I think I am going to declutter these palette. I think I'm going to declutter these She Glam palettes just because I'm not going to reach for them. Like I tried out the Gryffindor one for the review. Guys, I feel like I sound so like out of it. I just woke up. I'm really tired. So I'm sorry, I've literally just woken up, but I promise I'm here and I'm switched on. I'm just a little bit tired. Yeah, so I tried out the Gryffindor one for like the video, but yeah, I just don't think I'm going to reach for the other ones. They're so cute, but I just know even if I do reach for them, it'll be once and then I'll probably never use them again. I'm just going to zoom in a bit so you can see them properly. So this is the Slytherin one. Slytherin, and then we've also got Ravenclaw. And then we have a Hufflepuff one in here as well. This one. That's Hufflepuff. So yeah, I just don't think I'm going to reach for them, unfortunately. Now, I don't think I've swatched any of these. I can't see any finger marks. So I am actually just going to put those ones in a giveaway. They're still good. So yeah, they can just go straight into the giveaway. So this is another palette. This is one from Colourpop. I've had for a little while now. It's so cute. I just don't even know. I don't even know why I haven't reached for it yet. Anything that I keep today, I'm making it like my mission that I need to use it up, kind of thing. Okay, so she can stay. Then we have the Inner Trance palette from Colourpop, which can also stay. And I will make it my mission to use those. So yeah, I'm just going to go through everything. Do like a keep and then like a declutter, and then whatever we're left with we will like reorganise. I think I will pass along the little Hello Kitty palette, and I think there's a couple of them actually. This is the yellow one. This is Pineapple Cake. That one there. So cute. But once again, it's just the same as the She Glam palettes. Like I'm just not going to reach for them, unfortunately. This one is Cherry Sweet. I used the blue one in a video and I don't think I've reached for it since. That one's really cute. So yeah, like, and I feel like I've kept them for so long because I'm like, they're so cute. But I'm just not going to use them. So I just don't know, guys. Like, you know, I would love to be able to use them, but I know that they're just going to sit in my collection after I do like a review on them, just because they're not colour stories that I'm going to reach for. So I'll put those ones in a giveaway as well. I haven't swatched them or anything either. So do some more eyeshadow palettes because I feel like they're the easiest. This is the P. Louise. All you need is a sprinkle of wishes. And I feel like I've got another one of these. This one is Magical Memories. These came in the advent calendar last year and I'm just such a sucker for these. Mainly because of this absolutely stunning packaging. Like it's like one of those little window things. I don't know if you can see it. I just can't. So, and I feel like this is, you know, this is a colour story that I will reach for. You know, even if it's something to travel with or whatever. So that one was Sprinkle of Wishes, and then this one is Magical Memories. Oops. So yeah, I feel like I will use these ones. So I'm gonna hold on to them. How cute is that? Like, I just can't, like, that packaging. Stunning. Just gotta make sure I use them. Halloween palette from Milk Cosmetics, then I definitely will use this one as well. So just need to everything in these drawers I want to have like used or tried by the end of the year. I think, like, I feel like that's kind of like my main mission. This is the Chucky and Glam like Crazy in Love palette. I haven't used it yet, and I feel like it's mainly because it scares me a little bit because it's so deep. But I know that we could make something absolutely stunning with this. So I do still want to do like a dedicated palette review on that one. So yeah, keeping her. Same with this palette. This is the Droplet of Magic palette from P. Louise, and this is stunning. I'm so sad I haven't used this yet, but I mean, it is Halloween. I mean, obviously, not yet, but like, it's coming up. So I really want to use this soon. Like, is that not stunning? And I feel like this would be really come in handy for a couple of looks and stuff that I have planned. So I am going to do a dedicated review on that one shortly as well. I feel like I just, oh god, it's so hard trying to keep up with everything, guys. And I feel like because I just came back from my trip as well, I was obviously trying to pre-film, so I was just trying to kind of, like, I don't know, but anyway, hopefully we're back on track soon. Yeah, that palette is actually so pretty, and I am very excited to use it on. Okay, we've got a couple more. This is the Rudolph palette from Colourpop. They sent this one over last year around Christmas time. Oh guys, it's so cute and so Christmassy, and even if I don't use it, like, you know, this month, I'll definitely do something with it around Christmas time. So I do really want to keep that one. This is the Colourpop Lilac Cute a lot. Oh no, I've had a shade come out of it. Uh-oh. It's a shame, because I feel like if that hadn't have come out, I probably would have passed this one along as well. Like, it's so cute. But I just don't need it. But now that the shades come out, I feel like, I don't know. I'll sit it in, like, you know, I'll keep it for now. If I don't use it by the end of the year, then I'll pass it along to someone else, but I'll just have to pass that one along to, like, you know, friends or family, I think. This is the Glamlight and Scooby-Doo palette. I did like a review on this collection as well, but I only used one of the palette, and this is the other palette. And I feel like once again we could do something really cute with that, so I will get there eventually. One that I am going to get rid of, this is the Revolution Chilled palette. I bought this so long ago and have not used it, and every time I do one of these videos or look in my collection or whatever, I'm like, yes, 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 I'm finally going to use it, and I just never do, so it's just time to say goodbye. Get rid of her. This is the Colourpop and Malibu Barbie palette. They sent me this one a while ago. It's so cute, guys. Like, that is so Barbie vibes. So I will get around to using that at some point as well. Or at least I'm striving to. I think that's all of the, oh, and there's this one as well. This is the Glamlight and Nightmare on Elm Street palette. Super cute. Just like a red theme. That'll come in really handy for some upcoming looks. What else do we have in here? I'm pretty sure that's all of the eyeshadow palettes for now. So, just, like, I'll just do a little bit of, like, a speed through, like, a couple of things. All of my MCO stuff I do want to keep, and this is going to be, like, I'm kind of, like, I'll explain how the drawers work at the end, but basically I've got, like, the big drawer I've reserved for things that I want to do, like, dedicated reviews, like, videos to. So, like, I'll keep all the MCO stuff together because I want to do a video, like, testing more MCO makeup, if that makes sense. and like, you know, if I want to do dedicated reviews to palettes and things, like I put them there. And then the 2 smaller ones are reserved to individual products that like I want to like try out, whether it be on camera or not, like whether it be like a full face or first impressions or, you know, that type of thing. But I'm just going to quickly run through and grab all of my MCO Beauty stuff and pop that to the side because we will be keeping all of those. And same with my She Glam stuff as well. I've got like a couple of highlighters and stuff, and then like a couple of lip products, so I'll grab all of those as well. Okay guys, this video is honestly taking a little bit longer than I thought it would, to be honest, so I'm honestly gonna split this into 2 parts, I think. So next time we'll just go through the rest of the makeup, and then we'll also put everything away and like organise it all. I'll do a couple more things quickly, but then, yeah, I think I'll save the rest of it for next time because, yeah, it's honestly taking a little bit longer than I thought. I didn't realise. Okay, move everything in here. This is the Glamlight Strawberry Shortcake Blush. I will be keeping her. She's so cute. This is the Butter Gloss from NYX. This is the Sugar Glass one. I do want to keep it. It's just like a clear gloss, so I'll keep her. I think, honestly guys, I think I'm going to declutter these from Revolution. I got these in the advent calendar last year, but they're like lip glosses and I just don't think I'm going to reach for them. I just decluttered heaps of my lip products, if you guys saw that video. So I feel like I just don't want to repeat my mistakes and get stuck with a bunch of lip products that I'm not going to use again. So I'm going to declutter those ones. And let's do one last thing. This one I will be keeping because it's real pretty. This is the NYX Fat Oil in Follow Back. And it's like this beautiful, like, I don't even know, like shimmery bronzy shade. Alright, that's where I'm going to leave it for now, guys. And then in part 2 we will go through everything else and reorganize it.